What's good, everybody? This is Sean, and you're watching On the Fly. And if you're like me, you grew up watching a bunch of horror movies, scary movies. Of course, you know Michael Myers, Freddy Krueger, Chucky, Jason, Pumpkinhead, all of those. You know, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And throughout the years, I feel like they have all been in competition with each other to see who can come up with the most extreme kills. And I know it's always been a tie between, let's just say, Jason and Freddy Krueger, who comes up with the most craziest, deaths. So this movie just came out maybe this year, 2024. It might have came out late 2023. This is a movie called In a Violent Nature. I definitely wanted to check it out at the movie theaters, but just because of things that, transpired as far as, like work or anything like that, I wasn't able to see it. So I was able to stream it, and I came across this one particular death scene. I thought it was crazy. I thought it was the most obscene. I just thought it was just completely just over the top. And I don't want to be the only one to watch this, so I want to share it with you all. It's not mine. This is from the movie In a Violent Nature. Let me just go ahead and just get right to it. I don't want to keep you all waiting. Let's go. So she's running. He digs his hand into her back, or with a hook. I don't know what that is, like a hook or something like that. Like, look how she reacts. Like, do what you gotta do to me. Maybe she's in shock, I don't know. Broke her neck. Disgusting. Pulls her head through her stomach out of her back. You can't get no more. That's just ridiculous. Now y'all tell me, was that ridiculous or not? I mean, because when I first seen that, I'm like, what? Like, it was gross, but it was funny at the same time. I just want to know what y'all think about it. Y'all push your comments down below. I'll catch up with the fly. Peace.